Let's see how to get Nintendo's emulator on iPad. In the first step, open Settings. After that, choose Safari option. Later, tap Advanced and switch on JavaScript. In the next step, launch Safari browser. Next, look for a reliable Nintendo DS emulator. Next, tap the download button. In the next step, when asked, tap Install. Then wait until the app appears on your home screen. Now do not launch the app yet. In the next step, open Settings. Next, navigate to General. Now choose VPN and Device Management. Now locate the installed profile and tap Trust. In the next step, launch the emulator. After that, allow required permissions. Now, load your chosen game and begin playing. You are good to go.